So you have accused Jeb Bush of being weak on immigration.
Weak, period.
There are over 100,000 young people known as Dreamers
Yeah.
who have deferred action given under the Obama.
Sure, I think it's great.
What should they expect?
You know what I want? I want dreamers to come from this country, okay? You mentioned dreamers. Wait, you mentioned dreamers? I want dreamers to come from the United States. I want the people in the United States that have children. I want them to have dreams also. We're always talking about dreamers for other people. I want the children that are growing up in the United States to be dreamers also. They're not dreaming right now. And you look at African-American youth, I mean, 58% unemployment. You look at African Americans in their 30 years old and they're 40 years old, and we have an African American president, and he has not done anything for the African Americans in this country, okay? And he got a free pass, and he shouldn't have. Because if that were me or if that was somebody else, we would be taking over the calls, believe me. It would not be a good situation. President Obama has done nothing for the African Americans. You look at African American youth, you look at African Americans that are 30 years old, 40 years old, and 50 in their prime, the prime, and take a look at their statistics. It's very sad. Okay, how about one or two more questions?